hit the GO button. Boop, boop. Okay, before we get started, I want to give a shout out to a company. I told them I would, and boom. I don't know if you can see that or not. PTR Industries. As far as American made goes, I finally got my 308. MP5. You got the MP5 slap. MP5 pistol and a 308. I bought this secondhand. I'm not going to say where. I'm not going to mention anything because YouTube will hit me. They've already hit me as far as anything because I see it as a call to action. Bought it secondhand, and anyhow, I called them up, said, hey, my rifle's doing this, it's doing that. They said, doesn't matter if you were the original owner, send it back, we'll warranty it. That is awesome and amazing. I still want to give credit where credit's due. Man, 308 and a pistol, 8.5-inch barrel. Can you imagine? I'll bet you that canoe would be nasty. And for those of you that don't know what a canoe is, don't worry. I'm going to let Mike Jones tell you all about it.
So we're going to do another American special. This is a specialty of the Navy SEALs. We're going to do what's called a canoe. So what it is when a combatant's on the ground and is still alive, a safety round is put under the chin, through the head, and then apparently will create that canoe-like effect. I just want to make sure they're not alive. Safety round. Lives are expensive, ammo is cheap. Give them another round. I can't wait. Interested to see what it looks like. Oh!
I see why they call it a canoe.
Canoe. I think there's a lot of overlap between cars and guns. And for those of my 2A followers, you get it. You get it. Anyways, I want to hop on here and I kind of want to give a background preface. There's been a lot of my old content. I would like to start uploading. I want to grow the channel some more. I am feeling a lot better. I'll get into that here in a little bit. But there's a lot of people. I don't want to do my editing the way I've done it in the past before because the music and all the stuff, one, it takes a lot of time. It takes a lot of time to do that. You get better at it. You can do it faster and faster, but yet there's a lot of people going back and buying the music. And there's a lot of my videos getting demonetized. If you notice, like, no music or if it's weird, like kind of something out of place, that's why. Because I have to go back and I have to change everything in order to keep my monetary rights to that video. So the new format going forward is probably going to be more of a reaction style. Like I said, I'm working 7 days a week now. The money's not coming in like it used to, but that's okay because that's temporary. When the video for when I put Zozo up for sale, I got rug pulled for it was a substantial amount of money. To some, it's not a lot. I mean, $100,000, that's a lot. I don't care who you are. To some people, it's a drop in the bucket. To some people, that's life-changing. Kind of why I dropped off was I was just starting to feel shitty. After I lost my job at the last job, and I can't talk about it. For those of you that know, good for you. If you don't, well, yeah, whatever. I mean, I'm getting older in life. Working outside, working in the elements, blah, blah, blah. It takes a toll on your body over time, and we're all different. I'm going to recommend every guy, if you're just feeling a little bit off, you need to go get your T levels checked because it's flipped a switch. It's entirely. Now, I was reading some comments. I made a post, and I was reading some comments. Somebody said that it's about to get better. I hope so. I'm a couple weeks in. There's a lot of things that are changing or coming back. It's like, if you notice on my last live stream, towards the end, I was interacting with you guys, but it was just really hard because, like I said, I work 7 days a week, but cumulatively, if you pile up the hours, it's like 40. It's not that many hours. So, you know what I mean? 40, 45, whatever. It's really not about the total hours worked. It's, I don't know. It's hard to explain. I was just really mind fog. I was just unmotivated. It sucks because I really like hopping on here and hanging out with you guys. From my standpoint, from me running a channel, you have to be like on point. There's a lot going on with this. You can't Um, you can just hop on and make a channel, but there's a lot of things going on online, and it's a moving target, and it's super hard for me to keep up. Well, it was. So hopefully, like I said, we're back in the gym. For those of you that, I mean, I can't stress enough. Early in my 20s, I messed up, and I ran a lot. I don't know if I can find a photo of myself, but I was super skinny, same height and everything. I was like 150 pounds, and slowly over time, that's where I messed up. Was I was a runner, and if you're in your 20s or if you're a younger guy, put on muscle, because the muscle is what's going to save your ass in the long run. So that's my advice to you. If you're younger, worry about muscle. Don't worry about running. You know what I mean? And if you're gonna go for longevity, because when your metabolism slows down, that muscle is gonna save your ass. As you get older, it's harder to build. I'm finding that out. So, because I shoot my quad, but there is no shame in this. I don't understand. There's a lot of people that freaking can't come to terms with it or whatever. I don't know. There's a lot of guys are scared of it too. I mean, the needle, it's not that bad. It's tiny little needle. This is super easy to do, and it will change your freaking life. The clinic I'm going to, there's a lot of guys in their early 20s. So I'm telling you, I'm urging you, if something doesn't feel right, at least go get checked. I'm telling you, it changed a lot of shit for me in the past couple weeks. So like I said, with them going back through, and I want to do a new format, new style. I still want to touch, I still want to hang on to the Camaro roots. I mean, the modding and everything to my car. I've been driving it. I want to just enjoy it. I like it the way it is. It's nice and dependable. It's slow as hell, but it's a cruiser. It's a driver. If I was going to do it, there's a lot of things that need changed up front in order to put it to that ultimate street build, which, that's 30, 40,000. I don't want to put into it. Well, I mean, for a car, I don't have it right now, and that's fine, because we're going to get it back, and we'll eventually get there. Maybe we'll buy something else, but I like the car the way it is, because it takes me back in time and reminds me of, my younger days. So, that's that. I just kind of want to get it maybe restored back to like its original form. Maybe one day we'll push the boundary. Maybe I'll buy something else or whatever. So the thing is anything and everything that I'm going to be touching on, I'm probably going to keep it inside. So it's going to be a lot of format like this. Like I said, with everything fighting YouTube, the monetization, it's like, oh my God, it gets to be, I don't know if YouTube's just, they get pissed or pissy about some things, but yeah, if you don't upload that for a while or whatever, they really just start messing with you. Start messing with your channel. Maybe if I upload more, grow more, maybe that will go away and we can pick up with the old edits. I don't know. That being said, I'm gonna get my ass to work. We got a lot of things to do. So those of you participating, rolling in, man, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are freaking awesome. You guys like the video on the way out. The same shit still applies. You guys know what to do. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. Till the next one, take it easy. We'll see you then.